Hey everyone, in this video we are going to go over what scheduled price updates are, how you can enable them in your account, and then I'll show you a couple of examples of why you would use them and how you can set them up. So first, what are scheduled price updates? So a scheduled price update lets you edit a product so that it automatically bills at a different rate in the future. To enable scheduled price updates, you hit the gear icon in the top right of your ChargeOver account, go to add-ons on the left, and click more add-ons. Find scheduled price updates and hit get started, and then toggle the enable this feature option to yes and hit save. Now let's go over a couple of examples of why you would use the scheduled price updates and how you would set them up. For our first example, let's say that you have an existing product that you want to set it so in the future, when this product is used, that it automatically increases its price by, let's say, 4% each year, and that is done automatically. So you could do this with an existing product or a new product. But for our example here, let's use an existing product and we'll go to edit the product. And now at the bottom by the pricing section, you will see that there is a new button that says edit default price updates. So if I wanted, for our example, 1% or 4% increase every year forever, we could set it so after 1 year, we are going to increase this by 4%. And then if we wanted this to be recurring, we could check that box here. After every 1 year, we are going to continually to increase the price by 4%, hit save, and then that's good to go. Going forward, anytime this product would be used, it would automatically increase its price every year by 4%. Now, another option here is, let's say we didn't want to do it by a percentage, but instead would rather do it by totally shifting like the base pricing for this product. So after 1 year, I wanted to instead change this from a flat price of $500 to, let's say, $750. We could do that as an option here too. Hit save, and then going forward, any time this product is used, after the first year, it's going to shift in price from $500 to $750. Now, the second scenario here, let's say we go ahead and we save this, but what do we do for our existing subscriptions? Or I have an existing subscription set up that I would like to assign a scheduled payment for. So I already have this existing subscription that I already had set up in my account. It's the same product that we just looked at. And now on the right, underneath the product, there's this little drop down. When we click that, there is now an option to schedule a price update. When I click that, it gives you almost all the same options as when you set it up the default on the actual product, but you also can set it on a specific date now. So you'll see that this subscription that I'm editing is a monthly subscription. It bills every month on the 10th for $500. But if I wanted to change this, so let's say on April 9th, that it's going to have a percentage price increase of 4%. I could do that and set that here. I could set it like it's recurring, just like I could when I set up the product a minute ago. You also could add multiple different price increases, just like I could on the product a minute ago. If I wanted to instead change this so that it goes from $500 to $750 on April 9th, we could go ahead and set that here too. Hit save. And now if we go over here, you'll see that there is one price update assigned to this. We could view it, and you'll see that it's all set up here. So on April 9th, it's automatically going to change the price from $500 up to $750 for this product on this subscription. So in this video, we went over what scheduled price increases are, why you would use them, how you would use them. If there are any questions about scheduled price updates or really anything else in ChargeOver, feel free to reach out to our support team anytime. We are all happy to help. Thanks for watching.